Galing ako simbahan. Kakanta ako ngayon guys ha, kasi ang daming pumiling magkanta ako. Kakanta ako. Okay? Makinig lang kayo guys. Okay? Di ako makapag-ant. Hi, Ate Abby! Hi, thank you! Alam mo, di na ako nakastart ng kanta. Grabe. Hi, Ate Abby! Kakanta na ako, guys, ha? Ate, thank you! Thank you! Nag-join ka sa live ko. Hi! Kakanta ako, guys. Yesterday, once more. Hinaaman ba? Sorry. Hi, God Repairs from Anduwaman 19. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys for joining my live. Galing ako simbahan. Yes, galing ako simbahan. So, yeah, parang naisipan ko lang mag-live today. Go lang. Okay, I'm gonna sing a song. Hi, RD! Ito na guys, start na siya. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When I sing along, it made me smile. Those were such happy times, and not so long ago. How I wondered when they gone. But they're back again, just like a long-lost friend. All the songs I love so well. Every sha-la-la-la, every wow-wow still shines. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Every shing-a-ling-a-ling that they're starting to sing so fine. When they got to the part where he's breaking her heart, every girl really make me cry, just like before. It's yesterday once more. Wala ba kayong mga kamay, guys?
Patay ka dyan, ma.
Bakit?
Patay kwarta, ma.
Look him and years gone by, and the good times that I had make today seems rather sad. So much has changed. Ano daw? It was songs of love that I would sing to them, and I memorize each word. This old melodies still sound so good to me. Ano daw guys? Hindi ko na kaya. Hindi ko na kaya guys. Yun lang yung kinaya ko guys.
Grabe, 500. Binulang mo ni mama.
Guys, grabe guys. Ang ganda ng boses ko, diba? Parang hindi nyo nagugusto yung makinig. Guys, grabe. Thank you to my 2 subscribers. To my new 2 subscribers. Guys, grabe. Thank you to my 2 subscribers. Nanonood ako, oh. To my new 2 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for watching my live. Grabe. Hi, te. Hi, Manny Cruz from Anduwaman. Thank you po. Thank you. Nanood kayo sa live ko, guys. This is my first live ever with you guys. With you all. This is my first live with you all, everyone. Guys. Oh, ano na?